Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to Paysera. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to use a verified account on Wise. Otherwise it's not possible. Then what we're going to do is we click here on send and then we search right here for Lithuania. There we go, or sorry, Lithuania. And then we select right here how much we want to send. So we do 100 euros. And then we do right here your Wise wallet if you want to use your Wise amount of money, or we can do order. So we do then bank transfer. Then we do add recipient and then we do add bank details, someone else. And then what we're going to do right here, if it's inside Europe, fill in right here full name of the account holder and then the IBAN. If it's outside Europe, fill in right here the full name of the account holder, the IBAN or account number, and then the SWIFT code or BIC code. Then after that, filling that in, we do continue, and then he will send you to the review page where you can check all your details. When all the details are correct, then you click on continue and go right here to the payment option where you can do your payment. And then after that, you send money from Wise to Paysera. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Make sure that you fill in right here your Paysera IBAN, of course. And then after watching this video, hopefully it works. So for now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.